Hello engineers, welcome to JAL Consult. Today's class will be the third class of our tutorial series, Electrical Accessories Design. Today's class will be mainly practical, using a project as a case study. You can access the other part through the link in the comment section below. There are basically 4 steps in designing electrical accessories for a project. All the requirements needed for efficient functionalities of the project must be covered. Amenities and services for high quality of living, sustainability, and occupant-friendly features must also be considered. This can only be achieved by determining the kind of occupancy the project is. You can check the video I did on the types of MEP engineering projects in the comment section below for more details. The second step is to determine all the equipment required for occupant sustainability and probably be listed in an Excel sheet. Real estate online platforms, search engines can also help, as you will get to know the trending equipment in the industry. This will prevent your design from being archaic. The listed equipment are then categorized based on set theories, where the sockets and the switches are the supersets, and the division explained in part 1 of this tutorial series are the sets. The equipment listed are then organized based on what they required. Let's take this project as a case study. Here is the architectural design. By considering the 4 steps, the project is strictly residential, is a family apartment. The next step is to list the basic equipment for this project and what a residential project might require. By looking into this project, we observed we have a main lodge here, we have a pre-suite here, bedroom here, toilet and bathrooms. We still have another bedroom here, the kitchen, dining, and the laundry. So we now have to list the basic equipment a residential apartment of this nature might require. So basically, for the main lodge and the bedrooms, we do require a TV set. We still need a refrigerator, probably at the dining. We need a cooker control unit for the kitchen. Likewise, a washing machine, dish washing machine. We need switches for our lighting fixtures, etc. We still need AC. For this project, let's use a split AC. Thus, we'll be having our AC outlet for our dining, for the kitchen, for the bedrooms, and for the main lodge. So having gotten this, we do need to create an Excel file for the requirement. Here is the Excel file designed for the project. I said 1, we need a TV set, and for a TV set we do require a 13 ampere socket. For sound and home audio systems, we assumed a 13 ampere socket. We still need outlet for charging our gadgets or all other features such as phones, laptops, etc. So we still need a 13 ampere socket. For our split AC unit, we need a 20 ampere socket. For the white goods, which includes refrigerator, washing machine or any other white good, so we require a 15 ampere socket. For the cooker control unit, a 45 ampere socket. Hot water heater, a 20 ampere socket. And our kitchen hood will need a twin or a 15 ampere socket. So the next step is to create a set diagram. For the socket, here is the set diagram I created. So here is the legend. I said A signifies socket required accessories. B 13 ampere single pole socket, 15 ampere single pole socket, and D for 15 ampere weatherproof socket. The E for the 45 ampere socket outlet. That means A is our superset. We have B as a set, C as a set, D as a set, and E as a set. For our A, all equipment that requires a 13 ampere socket includes the television set, home audio, home gadget. For the B, rather. So for the C is the white goods, which I have explained here, 15 ampere single pole socket. For the D, corridors outside, that's the weatherproof. So for our switches, A switches required accessory, B 20 ampere double pole switch, 15 ampere double pole switch or single pole will be better, and 5 ampere switch. So here is the set diagram. Having done this, we now proceed to the final steps in the designing process. For high power accessories, which is our topic, we have three basic considerations in distributing accessories in the architectural drawing. The first one is the furniture demand, the second is the equipment demand, and the third is the type of MEP project we are doing. So for example, taking the first consideration or criteria, that is the furniture demand. Let's take a brief look at the legend. So for this project, this is the legend, this is the 13 ampere, twin 30 ampere, 15 ampere, etc. So this is how the furniture have been set up. It seems occupants of the main lodge will be facing towards this side, and they will require a television set. That's the reason a 13 ampere socket was placed here and the television outlet. So this has already been explained in the legend. Television outlet MK3520. Likewise for the bedrooms, here is the bed furniture. So this is the projecting view. That was the reason our switch is being distributed or situated here. For the kitchen too, this is how the cabin will be arranged as specified by the architect. So that's the reason we're having our cooker control unit here and we're having our hot water heater here. Let's take a look at the second consideration, which is the equipment demand. Using laundry as a case study, for laundry we do require a white good, thus we need a 15 ampere socket outlet, 15 ampere single pole socket outlet. That's the reason we are having a two 15 ampere outlet in our laundry, because of the equipment demand, which is the white good washing machine, laundry washing machine. Let's take a look at the kitchen too. A cooker in the kitchen. That's the reason we're having our cooker control unit here. Moreover, for our bedrooms, we do require an hot water heater, a storage hot water heater for this project. That's the reason we're having this, which has already been explained in our legend to be a 20 amp hot water heater outlet and switch. The third of our criteria or consideration is the type of MEP project. type of MEP project. We specified how our equipment will be distributed and the kind of equipment we do required for the project. Because this is a family apartment, we're having another fixture there, etc. And you take note of our AC outlet too. Because of this kind of MEP, we are using a split AC. All this will be broadly discussed in our later class. For the M3 here, we are having a weatherproof outlet here. Likewise for the terrace at the back. And the list goes on. Hope you find this video helpful. Comment below please, and don't forget to like and subscribe.